And PAgP is a Cisco proprietary aggregation protocol and support two modes: desirable, actively attempt for to form the channel, and auto for wait for the remote switch to initiate the channel. Whichever, if we have here two switches like, and in between multiple ports. Multiple ports like there one side is desirable and other one side is auto, then it will be work. If one side is desirable and other desirable, it will work. If both end auto configuration is there, then it won't work. Channel will be cannot form. Configuration part likewise. And any doubts in PAgP and LACP, link aggregation control protocol? In whenever active state is there, actively attempt to form a channel on both, and if active is there, then it will be formed. Then whenever the passive is there, one end, it will be wait for the whichever active, it will be create the channel. If both end passive is there, then won't work. This is the process. This is our configuration part. Now we are doing. And theoretical part, anyone having any queries what we discussed till? Yes or no? Everyone understood, right? What is EtherChannel? The requirement of EtherChannel, and two types of manual configuration, and other one is dynamic configuration. The dynamic configuration part, we have two types: PAgP and LACP. PAgP is a Cisco proprietary and LACP is a open standard. This is a PAgP is open standard, and 802.3AD the code, EEE code, IEEE.
Alim, like everything is fine except the, like for me, like when is it gonna be active and when it gonna be passive? Like
This one, you
the
have
modes, like when it gonna be, which one? I didn't get it.
this one, right?
Like when the mode is on, like EAGP and LACP is disabled, and
See, I'll explain the modes now from starting. On, in the sense, we are doing manual configuration. If both end on and on, we should have to do with the help of configuration likewise. Just move to the interface level. Just select the range of interfaces. How many range? Like if you have multiple range, like 4, 5, up to 8, it will be support. Just bundle with this all interfaces, and here configure it as manually. Then manually it will be work. The channel group 1, the channel group mode is 1. Sorry, channel group is 1 and mode is on. If you are doing like dynamic configuration, this is the PAgP. For PAgP having two modes, auto and desirable. Whenever this auto means passively listen, okay, when only it will be listen only. Whenever the neighbor is the peer is having desirable, then only form the channel group. Otherwise, if both end auto is there, it won't form the channel, it won't configure it, it will be give the error. Understood. Now, then here we have passive and active modes. Passive and active modes in LACP. In LACP, whenever you are configuring both and active, it will be work, and active and passive, it will be work. Whenever we are configuring P and P, passive and passive, both end, passive and passive, it won't create the channel. Understood, Ajay? Okay, I'll verify it in lab, no issue. Apart from that, this grouping, anyone having any query?
No, all good.
Good, good. My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
I'm taking one switch here. Gigabit on. I'll take. Okay. Both end. I'm taking and 4 connectivities in between. 4. Both are same devices. Then which cable in between work?
Crossover cable.
Good.
Maunya guarantee. He was with feelings and Omega.
I've taken 4 ports. Check because of EtherChannel STP, the one port will be moved to the forwarding state. Other apart from that, all are the blocking state. Check. The election is happening now.
Sir, could you enlarge the picture?
Yes, I'm allowing. It's visible.
Could you enlarge the picture? The switches. Yeah. Yeah, it's good now.
Fine. We have 2 switches here. Switch 1 and switch 2. And which one is the root bridge here? Which one is the root bridge? Switch 1 or switch 2?
Switch to.
Which
Because of why it will be elected as a root bridge?
there is no blocking stage.
Sorry?
No blocking port.
No blocking port over there.
That is fine. That is visible. That is why you are telling. Behind that, the process is there. Election will be root bridge. Election is there. It will be
No bridge ID with low
priority-
priority and MAC.
Priority ID and MAC address.
good. So spanning tree. See, now we having a 4 ports. Now we having a 4 ports. All are desirable state. Now here we having one only root port, that is a first port because of port priority. The port 1, all the priority is done, and port priority, it will be elected as a port, as a root port, and all are the blocking alternate port. Now move to the configuration of manual configuration. Now we are doing manual configuration. Just move to the global configuration mode. Then select as a interface range. I'm selecting full range. See, 0 by 1 to 4. Sorry, fast Ethernet, and 0 by 1 to 4. Now check. Here we have a channel groups, EtherChannel port bundling configuration. This is the for manual configuration and channel protocol. Select here. Here we have two options like channel protocol. Select the channel protocol LACP or PAgP. These are first we are doing manual configuration. Then select. I told you channel group we can create up to 48 in multi-layer switch, 6 up to only the layer 2 switches. I'm taking as a group number is 12 and move. And which mode? Ether channel mode of the interface. I'm taking as a ether channel mode then. And which one? If I'm enable ether channel only, if I am enable ether channel only, that is manually. There we have, I told you, right? Active auto. This is the active in the sense it is a LACP, and one more LACP is passive. Both are the LACP features. And this auto and desirable. If enable, or if a PAgP device is detected, if opposite side in the sense neighbor peer is, if desirable, that are the PAgP, then only the both connected form the ether channel. Apart, otherwise it won't. Then I'm doing manual, using the manual. Okay, understood everyone? This many features I have here. Just enter. Then all the ports are went down. What it? All the ports are went down. Now it will be take time as a 30 to 40 minutes because of it will be moved to the blocking, then disable. Sorry, first disable, then it will be listen, then after learning, then forwarding state. We'll check it. Now which state? Show spanning tree. Now forwarding state came before that. Now move to here. Only one side I have enabled. It won't work. Both side if enable, don't only. So spanning tree. Here only one bundle. So IP interface brief. I can see here I have created one port channel for logical interface. Fast Ethernet. So by 1 to 4 and both end I should have to take same group. Otherwise, if group change means those VLANs are won't communicate. Whichever I have advertised in which that port channel. Okay, then mode, then on. Now check it. It went down. Now check it. Here, show spanning tree. Now which mode? Desirable. First check here. All the ports are desirable. It show like wise. 4 ports, it's showing likewise. First Ethernet 0/4, 0/1, 0/2, 0/3. Now how it is showing? Only pole that is desirable and listening state and cost is 8. Now priority is changed like 27 and it's sharing the information. Earlier it is like point to point. You can earlier it was in point to point connectivity. Now it's share media. Just check configuration, those things. Understood? How we'll check the and we'll check one. Here I have given the commands also for show interface trunk. We'll check later. Show spanning tree and show more trunk. We'll check and interface port channel. Up to here, anyone having any doubts? How to allow the interface for that? Show IP interface brief. This is our logical interface. Logical interface. Status is on, up, and status is protocol also. Now I'm giving as a trunk port. Which port? Mode trunk. I'm allowing trunk port. Why it is rejected? Because I haven't mentioned here .1Q or ISL encapsulation. I haven't mentioned here. That is the reason rejected. Refused that command. Switch port trunk encapsulation. It is supporting only .1Q. ISL is not there. Check. Went down. Whenever you are configured trunk port as it will be or go down automatically. It will be up. Now both in config terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0/124 and switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q and switch port mode trunk. Now it was taken. And now what you will do next, here add some access switches and advertise some VLANs. That is your task. Now I am showing you the show interface trunk. See encapsulation. No need to configure one by one switch. Once you configure as a port channel, it will be taken all the configurations. See switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q. I haven't went one by one. Just I configured as a that port channel. This port channel it was taken. This all comes under this port up to here. This interface not there. So spanning tree, troubleshooting commands, port channel, you can verify it. Now the running configuration, you can verify it. These all are the port or trunk mode. You can verify it. Now what we'll do? Configure one end, and this switch 2 I am doing now some PAgP. Config T and interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 1 to 4 and channel protocol. I haven't I'm trying to give a group. Just I will give the group 4 and 12. Same group I'm giving mode. I mean I'm giving as a PAG desirable. It won't work. It will work or not? It went down. We'll check. But in L2 switches, it won't work. If you are taking these switches and L2 switches, the configuration won't work. The command also rejected, refused in these switches, but command is taken, but neighbor, our peer is went down. See, all the ports are went down. The reason why it went down, the reason, anyone can tell? Can check the configuration also, no issue. The mode is PAgP here. This mode is anyone can guess.
Desirable.
Spanning tree also went down. Because anyone can guess. Not desirable. One side is desirable.
Like one side is desirable and other side is auto.
No. What I did in starting configuration, everyone in class, right?
Yes.
Now you tell me. My screen is visible, right?
It's in passive.
Guys, I am showing here where you are.
Channel group is 12. Hold on. On. Like on is like manually. One is manually determined and one is desirable.
So neighborship will form in between. Channel
No.
established.
No.
That
No.
is
It should
what I
have
meant.
the same group. Yeah.
That is what I
At least it need to be like desirable, otherwise like desirable auto.
good.
But it is like one is in one on and one is manually determined and one is dynamically determined.
Good. That is what I am expecting your side. Good. Now everyone got
Yes.
fine. And in this side, which configuration I should have to do, then it will be up. This ports will be. Tell me.
Change the manual to the dynamic one.
Then here I configure as a PAgP inside desirable. If I am taking auto also it will be work, and desirable also it will be work. I'm taking here auto. Understood? What I explained, understood? The remote side is I have configured PAgP, and this side I should have to configure other desirable, otherwise auto. Then only neighborship the channel will be established. Before that, I should have to tell, like I should have to take a interface port channel, whichever protocol is there. Likewise, configuration I should have to do. Before that, I did this configuration because there is like earlier manually I did. That is the reason I should have to channel protocol PAgP, otherwise LACP I should have to take. Then only it will be work. Then desirable or auto. This next steps will be I want. This is switch 1 and switch 2, you can assume like switch 2. Guys, if link went okay, link will be closed, then I'll rejoin. Just 10 minutes only happen here. Link will be expired, then join again, rejoin. Channel protocol. Desirable worship also. Channel protocol PAGP. I'm reloading because of it is not working because Cisco packet tracer reload in the sense switch on and off. Issues will become likewise only in packet tracer. . Follow, I'm starting from configuration. Interface, range, fast Ethernet, 0 by 1 to 4, and channel protocol. I'm taking here PAgP Cisco proprietary, and taking here I'm taking here mode is a PAgP-R2. Now PAgP mode auto here. Now PAgP mode desirable here. Spanning tree, listening, learning, election is happening. So spanning tree, that is the reason. Desirable this form. And here show spanning tree. Now all the ports show spanning tree. All the ports came up. Then all the ports are forwarding state. My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, visible.
What I'm doing configuration part, it is visible, right? Fine. Show spanning tree. Can check here port is pool is like 12. That is port channel, and sharing media and port channel is this one. All the ports are came up earlier, and those are in. You can check here. Those are all are desirable state, forwarding state. We cannot check the interface levels. Some commands here not working in this packet tracer. The port channel, how it is working. That is the reason. Up to here, anyone having any queries? You will try like I did one side is desirable, another side is like auto. You will try tomorrow like all the configuration part like these things. This everything you have. Everything configuration part. Just take screenshots. from starting. EtherChannel port text on screenshot. Take a screenshot up to here and take a screenshot this one also. Take a configuration screenshot and PAgP screenshot also and LACP screenshot also. Done. Configuration part I did only desirable auto, only one mode I did. Better you try, you are getting or not, better try lab to others. I did this one to try to this one and this one. Already I tried this one also. This one is done and this one is done. Not done, not done. Try on different LACP and PAgP other mode. I hope you will do that. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any queries,
Could-
we'll rejoin. Otherwise, we'll end the session. Only 1 minute left. We'll meet Monday or Tuesday. Fine. I hope everyone
sir.
understands. Okay, fine. Do the lab, everyone.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Good day.